Good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center. A little later than usual. Hey, I wanted to just kind of touch base a little bit on. When even the national media is talking about equities markets, it's probably worth talking about. Holy smokes, what a wild week this has been. We went from like the largest one-day drop or the largest points drop ever on Monday. Yesterday, a big recovery. Today, vacillating all over the place. What does this mean if you're in the housing market? Well, I guess for starters, I would say, if you're in the market, I would say as soon as possible get your rate locked, because that seems like that's been something that's jumping all over the place with interest rates. But the other thing, and much more importantly, with a longer view, is the funny thing about this whole thing is. It kind of is a good reminder of me about like how nice is it if you already own a house to, you're not really worrying about what's going on in these markets. From an investment standpoint, it's like, shoot, I'm all set. I've got my prices locked in. Probably you have a mortgage that's locked in, and you just ride that thing long term. Hey, and by the way, is that you, Adam Hogan, on this thing? Dang it, I haven't talked to you in a million years. But yeah, again, I know I've been hitting this a bunch lately, but when it comes to real estate investing, you just don't deal with the volatility that comes with the equities markets. You buy a place, you hang on to it, arguably hang on to it forever, and then you get the darn thing paid off and the thing starts paying you, right? Where else can you find that? So anyway, just a couple of quick thoughts. It's like, hey, the market's going nuts, so what? Obviously it's going to affect a lot of people, but so I don't want to minimize that, but just keep on breathing, and everything will be great. That's all I have for you today. Feel free to comment down below, like, share, all that good stuff, and talk to you next week.